Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1970 Chevy El Camino. Gorgeous paint job, the rims look amazing. This is actually owned by a really close friend of the Auto Museum. He put a 350 in it, gave it a new paint job, and then life happened, so he asked if we could sell, and we said of course. This thing's beautiful. It'll be an easy sell. So there's minor things that you're still gonna have to tweak, take care of, but overall, it's a really great car. All right, so go ahead, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and as soon as we get done with this test drive, go to volocars.com, see all the pictures we have of it, all the detail and the pricing. Make sure this is shut. Standard dash, everything, but it's actually really nice. The seats, I'm not seeing any tears or anything like that. They're very comfortable. It's a very comfortable bench seat. The dash is looking good. Everything, I'm not seeing any tears, rips. Looks pretty great. All right, we'll take it on a little bit of a ride, just kind of get used to it. I haven't had the chance to take it out yet, and then I'll get on it, see what the 350 can do. I noticed it doesn't have the side view mirrors, so that'd be something just to add on to it. Speedometer needs to get hooked up. The speedometer, we'll take care of that when we get in the shop and make sure it's all mechanically sound. Everything's running how it should. So I'd say he did about 95%. The other 5% is just tweaking it to your liking. What type of side mirrors do you want? Maybe if you do want to throw a pinstripe or something on it, you can do that, or a racing stripe. Power steering works great. The brakes real responsive. I like this car, and it's just gorgeous. When I was setting it up in the parking lot, I had two separate vehicles stop and just start chatting me up about this. I actually had to restart the video a couple times. People just can't get over the paint job. I know, so you do have to manually stop the turn signals. Not too bad at all. That happens more often than not. The engine sounds great. This is a fun little driver. And it's still beautiful enough you can take it to the shows or wherever you want to, your cruise nights. And underneath it's really dry and just really unmolested. It's a good, solid car. He made sure before he got it that when he started his project car, it had to have nice bones, and he did a great job picking this one out. So let's get on a little. Oh yeah. Definitely has that get up and go. Sucks you back in the seat. Sounds great. Nothing wrong with this, like I said, is the little touches you want to do to it, then it'll be perfect. I mean, he literally did at least 95% of the work for you. Get it one more time. Yeah, that 350 hums. transmission smooth. It was just hitting the gears perfect. Well, I appreciate you coming on this test drive with me. And like I said, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and then head on over to volocars.com. See the whole write-up Jay has, all the pictures of this one, and all the other cars we have for sale, and you get to know the price of this. So yeah, as always, appreciate you.